Here is the sign for arrest. If you want to fingerspell the word, it's A-R-R-E-S-T. Remember the double R? First one regular, second one off to the side. All right? Once again, the sign is arrest. Okay, so how do we make it? We're going to use both hands. I'm right-handed, so with my non-dominant hand, my left hand, I'm just going to stick up my index finger. Now imagine it's a criminal, a person, or something, I don't know. They're just waiting to be arrested, grabbed, right? So with my dominant hand, with my right hand, I'm going to swoop in and grab the finger, right? Right? Arrest. From the side, arrest. Other side, arrest. From the front, arrest. Okay, let's do it 3 times from the rest position. Sign with me. Here we go. Arrest. 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 All right, you probably notice my face is changing, right? I'm not just like this. Let's do the robot version. Well, you understand that I signed arrest, right? However, if I go like this, you can kind of understand even more about the situation. Well, first, the person was kind of hanging out and it was probably a surprise that the police came up and arrested him or her, right? And it's like, it's force, right? It's something that the person didn't want them to have happening to them. And you kind of get that all from my facial expression, right? There was force involved. It was involuntary arrest, right? Okay, the sign for arrest can be used for apprehend, take into custody, grab someone, just depending on the situation. For our story, our narrative, we're going to be using it for arrest, so arrest. Okay, so review how to make the sign once again. Non-dominant hand, index finger, the person just la 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 la, right? Now your dominant hand, come and grab them, all right? Arrest, arrest. If you want to fingerspell the word, it's A-R-R-E-S-T. Once again, this was the sign for arrest.